Contrabida Academy is a new film released on Netflix on September 11 starring Barbie Forteza and Eugene Domingo. The movie is about service worker Gigi who goes through difficulties in life such as work, relationship, and family problems. Through a magical television that only features one show, the Contrabida, Mauricia, speaks to Gigi and convinces her to come and join her at the other side. Through Contrabida Academy, Gigi mends the different parts of her life and learns more about herself in the process. Grabe yung comedy and references sa movie na to, sobrang witty and feeling smart ka pag nagets mo yung joke. Mapapaturo ka din sa screen kasi featured sa movie ang mga classic kontrabidas ng mga teleserye like Celia Rodriguez, Jean Garcia, Gladys Reyes, and so many more. A great film about self-discovery, forgiveness, and change. Okay, from now on, we will be covering spoilers, so if hindi mo pa napapanood ang movie, please watch it right now. It's on Netflix. It's super worth your time. Okay, ready? Let's go. For continuity's sake, I will be referring to Gigi as Gia for the remainder of the video. Okay, so Gia is such an amazing protagonist to begin with. Bilang bida, gusto mo agad siyang sumakses. Nakaka-relate yung mga paghihirap niya, lalo na sa mga service workers. Sa simula pa lang, nakikita natin yung unfair na treatment sa kanya ng boss niya even though she's already working hard. Then makikita natin yung boyfriend niya na sinusundo siya. We can already tell sa simula pa lang na routine na nila ito. At may naaamoy si Gian na kakaiba sa helmet niya. Sa mga mabilis ng utak, halata na may babae sa labas. Somatic, ekis na yung relationship na to. Pagkatapos, pagka-uwi niya, yung nanay niya naman, puro bili ng bili sa online shopping. Kahit ang sarili niyang anak nangangailangan para sa tuition. Sinabi niya pa na kay Gia humingi. Later on, malalaman natin na meron pala siyang malaking utang ng 50,000 pesos. So, tatlong aspekto ng buhay ni Gia ay punong-puno ng problema. Nagkaroon ng late Christmas party ang workplace ni Gia kung saan siya nanalo ng bagong TV from an unknown sponsor. Inuwi niya ito at noong nanood siya, isang palabas lang ang meron, called Batas ng Api. Ang bida ay si Mirenisa at ang mga kontrabida naman ay si Mauricia at Mimi, the seductive daughter. Inaapi ng dalawa si Mirenisa sa buong tagal ng series. The following days pass by where Gia's life is in complete misery. Nag-withdraw siya ng pera para pambayad ng utang ng nanay niya. Then doon niya nakita yung pag-cheat ng jowa niya. After nun, ay nanood siya ng Batas ng Api kung saan bigla siyang kinausap ni Mauricia. Siyempre, sa gulat, napawalk out si ate girl. Sa mga sumunod na araw, parang sinusubukan talaga ng universe ang pasensya ni Gia. Hanggang sa punong-puno na siya, di niya nakinaya. Pagtapos ng pagkamatay ni Mimi, the seductive daughter, pumasok na si Gia sa TV at nakapunta sa kabilang mundo ng drama. Inexplain ni Mauricia kung paano gumagana ang mundo nila and how they always please the sponsor. Then, dumating na sila sa title card, Contrabida Academy. Dito pinakita ang mga kakaibang ways ng mga kontrabida. Hindi sure si Gia at first, pero na-convince siya ni Mauricia to sign the contract. Hindi pinabasa sa kanya, so mukhang babalikan natin yung contract na yan. After enrollment, dito na natin makikita ang mga klase na meron sila, featuring classic kontrabidas throughout Philippine teledramas. First ay si Celia Rodriguez as the history teacher, kung saan tinuruan sila about digging dirt. Sumunod naman ay si Jean Garcia as the art teacher, kung saan nag-makeover si Gigi and how Gigi turned into Gia. Her change of name represented a change within her as she chose to embrace the kontrabida ways. Grabe bagay na bagay kay Barbie Forteza yung red being the signature color of Contrabida Academy. Gia enters her workplace kung saan inexpose niya yung boss niya for fraud and gambling. This earned her well-deserved promotion to manager. Pinky Amador, as the language teacher, teaches Gia the 3 points to perfect an insult. Insult one's loneliness, insult one's poorness, and insult one's ugliness. Next up is Gladys Reyes as the math teacher na nagturo ng equations to success. Gia uses her newfound knowledge to confront her mother regarding her spending tendencies. She forces her to cut her credit cards in half and record a video confessing what she's been doing with all the money the father had been sending them. Si Baron Geisler naman, ang PE teacher na nagturo kung paano sumampal ng masakit. At si Mylene Dizon naman, ang science teacher na nagturo kung paano ang paghagis ng liquid sa tao. Kinonfront naman ni Gia ang ex niya at inexpose ang babae na nagparetoke ng paulit-ulit para makuha ang mukha niya ngayon. Dito niya na double Dutch slap si Peachy Pie. Dito niya rin hinagisan ng tubig sa mukha ang ex niya na super sarap sa pakiramdam panoorin. Gia graduated Contrabida Academy as valedictorian, making a speech and laughing wickedly. Pinasok na ni Gia ang drama world as the replacement of Mimi, the seductive daughter. She acts well pero struggles to do the common Contrabida actions like sampalin o sabunutan si Mirenisa. Back in the real world, nakalabas si Arnaldo, the main male lead sa Batas ng Ape. He went to see Gia, who questions his sudden appearance. They decide to go out for a bit, kung saan inimbita ni Arnaldo si Gia sa San Bida University. Kasi convinced si Arnaldo na mabait na tao si Gia. For the following days, puro date-date silang dalawa until nahuli ni Mauricia and showed the contract which states that a bida and a contrabida can never fall in love. Dito na-reveal ang totoong nangyari kay Mimi, the seductive daughter. Siya'y nagmahal ng isang extra at itinapon sa isla ng mga Laos. Dito na lumabas ang totoong kulay ni Mauricia bilang isang kontrabida. In a very heartwarming way, Gia then reconciles and finds closure with the different parts of her life. Her mother, her ex, and her former boss. Basta yung falling out of love, hindi yun excuse para mag-cheat Dun na-realize ni Gia na pwede siyang maging kontrabida pero pwede din maging bida. Sa susunod na eksena, sinabi niya ang totoo at nararamdaman niya tungkol sa pagbabago kung saan kinampihan siya ng mga extra. After lumabas yung director dahil off-script na lahat, Mauricia announces that she will be reporting everything to the sponsor and leaves. This results in a classic chase scene that ends in the boardroom kung saan nagsuggest ang mga extra ng ideas para sa palabas. Nanalo ang plea ni Gia at natalo ang demanda ni Mauricia. Hindi na mataray si Gia, nahanap niya ang balanse at pinomote niya ang kaibigan niya bilang assistant manager. Nagkatuluyan sila ni Arnaldo at natira si Mauricia sa hacienda para linisin at magdrama. Overall, such a good movie, kakaiba at hindi baduy. Maganda ang cinematography, especially pag pumasok sa drama world. The music fits the tone of the movie at napakagaling ng acting, lalo na si Barbie Forteza. I really like the themes of forgiveness and closure, something that anyone can deserve. One thing I don't like lang is parang ginawang may kasalanan din si Gia na nag-cheat yung ex niya. Hindi yun excuse to cheat, uy. Still, the film does a great job being satire. Ang dami niyang pinapoint out na references within the film industry na sobrang nakakatawa. Never naging slow ang movie. At some point, kinailangan ko mag-pause at di ko namalayan na 45 minutes na pala ang nakalipas. Stellar pacing at magandang pagkuha ng atensyon. Writer and director Chris Martinez does a great job in this satirical comedy, lalo na sa world building. Simula pa lang, nakakuha na tayo ng idea ng sistema ng drama world. The cast is amazing. Kahit yung mga extra, magaling yung line delivery at acting. Ang fresh ng idea at execution and I can't wait for more. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if interested kayo mag-cover ako ng ibang films and which ones. Bye-bye!